So anyway, the house to my left, right here that we're all standing in front of, this is actually what's called the Zeiler House. During the day of the battle, it was owned by a man by the name of Ferdinand Zeiler, who immigrated to the U.S. in the 1840s, and eventually made his way to Newmarket, and he had been the postmaster in the town, and in the house he ran multiple businesses. So he lived in the upstairs of the house. In the bottom floor, he had a watchmaking, a clockmaking, and a silversmithing business, along with the post office. We have pictures of Zeiler we can pass around. He was actually a veteran in the Prussian Army, and when he moved to the U.S., he was very patriotic towards the United States. When the vote for secession came, Zeiler was the only one in the town to vote against it, but his vote was actually destroyed. So a unanimous one could be shown to state officials. So him, along with Jesse Rupert, were some of the only unionists in Newmarket. But there's a time where Jesse Rupert one day was teaching at the Freedmen's School, and some people from Ku Klux Klan were actually going down there to the school, like to intimidate her and the kids. But Zeiler had warned her ahead of time, and she armed herself with a pistol, and she said the first man to enter would likely be a dead man. So they decided they weren't going to mess with her, and took her seriously, and she ended up basically fending them off pretty much. So her and Zeiler were, I imagine, pretty close, which Jesse Rupert's house is actually behind me, and I will go to this sign they got over here that helps explain if you like the detail. So this would be right in the
everybody here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, good. Probably the best place to cross.
Well, light just is changing now.
Yeah, but we'll let him go last, that way, Phil. Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
Right. It's